everyone, welcome to the Zobi Wear channel where you are taught various crafts, DIYs, and how to crochet. Remember to click the subscribe button for more content like this. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do a chain, a crochet chain, which is a basic for most foundation stitches. So of course we start off with our slip knots, and in our last video I showed you guys how to make a slip knot. And this is very basic. So yarn over and pull through that loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. And that is how easy and basic this chain is to do. Alright, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. And I used a 4.50mm hook for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to practice and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye!